In this lesson, we'll be talking about the story Knights of the Pufflings by Bruce McMillan. Our focus skill this week is to summarize. Remember, when we summarize a passage or a selection, we tell about the most important parts of the story in only a few words. We have our hand graphic organizer, which Miss Halliday gave to Mr. Seiler, to help us remember the 5 key parts that we need to include in our summary. Let's start with the who. Our pinky tells us the who. Our who in Knights of the Pufflings is Halla and the other children in the village. What did they do is an important part of our summary. They put the Pufflings in boxes and brought them to sea. Let's move that down so we can read it. Okay. Next, we will be putting in when and where. Our setting. This takes place during the springtime and summer and in Iceland. Our setting. The last part is a very important part. Our index finger, we're talking about why. They did this to save the Pufflings. Okay, now to summarize all the important information, we have the 4 key components. Okay. So our summary is just going to be something short like this. In Knights of the Pufflings. I'm writing italics because it is the title of the story. Halla and the other children in the village put the Pufflings in boxes and brought them to sea. They did this in the spring time and summertime in Iceland in order to save the Pufflings. Alright, that would be what we're looking for in our summaries. Just a short 2 or 3 sentences in our own words telling the most important parts of the story. I'll also include on our thumb the title so we know exactly what story we summarized. Knights of the Pufflings. Again, we're only taking out the most important pieces of information, giving 2 or 3 sentences in our own words about the story.